Holy crap! Is your belly dragging in the snow? I get my glove back on. There we go. Sorry. So yeah, we're still getting snow. We got quite a bit actually. I started to clear a little bit of it, and we got a few inches. I'm sure my phone's not gonna pick it up, but it's all the really pretty, before the dogs run through it, sparkly, glittery snow. I can't even talk. Whew! Getting misted. It's really windy out here. And the boys are making their tracks. Wow. It's chilly. It's chilly, yeah. I can tell everywhere you go now. Oh, it is picking up the sparklies. Yay! Or is that just wet? It could be wet. My phone's getting soaked all over the place. There's little drips all over it. It'll be alright. Are you trying to dig a hole? No, let's not dig. Get out of there. Brat. You little brat. You cool, Pooh? You got sparkles and glitters all over you, too. Yes. Get all that energy out. It's freezing out here. For me. But it's so pretty. And sparkly. And it's coming down. There's the yard light showing you. I am so soaked and covered in snow. I don't even think my phone would pick it up, and it won't let me see when I turn and flip the screen. Thank God for spirit hoods, because I would be absolutely dying out here. Can you see all of this snow on me? Ruger, no! Get out of there. Get. You're such a brat. Alright, boys. We're going in. Yeah, we're going in. Digger. Little digger.